Hi. So today I want to make a little video to support you through a meditation, a nice grounding meditation to bring in more gratitude into your life. So take a moment and get comfortable, sitting in a chair or feel free to lie down. And then gently close your eyes. Bring your awareness to your breath. Let your tongue rest on the upper palate, close your mouth, and begin to breathe in a long, slow, deep pattern, in and out through the nose. And let yourself come into this present moment. Let your breath just flow in and out. And bring your awareness above your head. And imagine a beautiful pebble hanging over your head. And imagine this pebble flowing down through the crown of your head, down through the center of the chest, and all the way down the pelvis, as if there's a big lake here, or a big pond. And as it hits, begins to ripple out energy all around you. And let's get a sense of another pebble dropping down, slowly descending into that waiting pond. And as those ripples go out, say to yourself, vitality, and let yourself fill with vitality. And just let that kind of ripple out in all directions, in front and back, left and right. And one more time, imagine another pebble dropping down from above the head, through the head, center of the chest, down through the pelvis, hitting the pond, rippling out with a sense of creating vitality. And then bring your focus to your chest. And imagine this area having another pond of energy right there at the level of the heart. And see another pebble dropping down from above your head, flowing through the head into this pond. And as it hits, it ripples out, and the energy flowing out here is love. Imagine love rippling out through your body and out beyond. Another pearl dropping down through the head, through the heart, into this pond, and more love rippling out in all directions, strengthening the field of love within you and all around you. And one more time, one more pebble dropping down through the head, into the chest area, hitting this pond and rippling out, and more love. A higher intensity of love just rippling out. Love of yourself, love of your others, love of the earth. A general sense of love and appreciation for all that is your life. And then bring your awareness to your head. And imagine another pebble, an energetic pebble, dropping down into the head, and imagine hitting a pond that's located here, and it ripples out in all directions with intuition and imagination. See that going off left, right, front, back, in all directions. Creating a sense of honoring your creativity, And then imagine another pebble dropping down from above your head through the crown of your head, hitting this pond in the head, and more imagination, more intuition rippling out on the waves of that pond. And one more time, another pearl dropping down, hitting that pond in the head and rippling out forwards, backwards, right, left, creating a sense of vibrancy. And just become aware of this energy of imagination and intuition in the head, love and gratitude in the heart, and vitality at the pelvis, at the waist. And see all of these energies supporting you and honoring you in your highest intent, in your highest good. And take 3 more nice deep breaths with this awareness. And feel free, if you'd like, to place your hands at the navel and just lock that energy in by rubbing the belly 3 times in each direction. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. I wish you a wonderful day. Take care.